Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use mirror cards to sync tasks across multiple boards in Trello on your iPhone 12. So let's begin. Okay, so open the Trello in your iPhone. Go to the card you want to copy. I will choose this one. So in the upper right corner you have 3 dots. Tap right there and choose a copy card. So now you can duplicate and move it to any board you want to be here. And that's it. So thank you for watching and see you later.